What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and this is actually a really good story to hear that where I live in St. Lucie County, the St. Lucie County sheriffs have now gotten body cams that will help give that transparency. This is an amazing little story. I just happened to catch it, and yeah, I had to talk about it because guess what? It's very important. You know, half the reason why I carry a camera is because the places that I live and other places I've been do not have cameras. So it would always be their word against mine. This way, the transparency is there. You know, it's just about transparency, plain and simple. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. There's a ton of links in the description below. I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker, deuces.
This is the Axon Taser 7. It comes with upgrades.
And so it does have that low light capability and will adjust, not to show light, but to actually show what the deputy is seeing.
This is the body camera.
Here on the chest, and then this will connect into that so it'll be worn here. So a chest mount.
It also has advanced technology. It's activated when a deputy pulls a weapon, a taser, turns on sirens, the patrol car reaches a certain speed, and when shots are fired in the area. All reasons why the St. Lucie County Sheriff decided to make them available to his 331 deputies.
I demanded certain things before we purchased a system like this. And like I mentioned, they had to all be synergistically able to work together with our weapon system, our cameras, and our tasers.
Cost was also a factor.
There were fiscal years in which I wanted to buy the tasers and cameras. We could do it on a capital purchase, but those recurring yearly costs of data storage and other costs, we couldn't afford.
But the county chairman says funding from the CARES Act was used to make the purchase.
When the funding came available, the Board of County Commissioners made it very clear that public safety was our #1 top issue.
Officials warn the new technology will not infringe on the public's privacy.
This is not Big Brother watching everything, but this is providing that transparency to our community.
Community activist Reverend Kenneth Mills Sr. says this is good for everyone.
Everybody want to go home at the end of the workday, and the body cams are going to really help tell the story.
And officials say that deputies will begin training in May and should be completed by the fall. In St. Lucie County, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25.